Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into a microtask platform called ClickWages.
Right. And we're looking at a review that tries to answer a pretty big question.
A huge question, really. Why are 3 million people on this platform clicking away? But it seems like, well, nobody's actually getting paid.
It all kicks off with this really intoxicating promise, the idea that you can earn $200
On your first day.
on your first day just by doing simple things like watching videos or clicking on ads.
But the investigation we're looking at says, forget the money for a second. The tech itself is just one giant red flag.
A huge one. I mean, right away, the investigator noticed the platform is constantly cycling through different URLs.
Like it's trying to hide from something.
Exactly. To evade detection. There was even this bizarre variant called ClickWages.
ClickWages.
I know. And if you look at the security trust scores, one system gave it a 1 out of 100.
Wow. Okay, 1 out of 100.
The whole infrastructure is just, it's built to be untrustworthy.
But here's where it gets so clever and kind of fascinating. The part the user sees, the dashboard, it's designed to make you feel like you're winning.
Oh, completely. The earnings climb incredibly fast. Users are reporting that they hit that $200 withdrawal minimum in just a couple of days.
So that's the lure, isn't it? That fast money illusion.
It's totally addictive,
Okay.
and that is precisely when the trap springs.
Okay, so you hit $200, you click withdraw, and then what?
Then the platform brings up its Net 14 payment schedule.
A 2-week delay. I mean, that sounds kind of standard, almost professional.
It's designed to.
Yeah.
It adds this layer of corporate credibility. But at the same time, instantly, these new mysterious requirements just appear.
Requirements like what?
Like all of a sudden you need 10 referral invites, and after that you need more shares, or you have to complete these very specific tasks that are, impossible to verify.
So they just keep moving the goalposts.
Perpetually. You never actually reach the final step. And if you do manage to wait the full 14 days, the user reports are all the same.
Let me guess. The account gets disconnected.
Either that or it gets stuck in this endless system check loop. And customer support
It goes completely silent.
vanishes.
So if they aren't paying the users, what's the business model? How are they making money?
Well, when you connect all the dots, it's just classic click fraud.
Okay, break that down for us.
Simple. You have advertisers on one side paying ClickWages for engagement, for clicks and views.
And the users are providing that engagement.
Exactly. For free, because they're operating under the belief that they're about to cash out.
Ah, I see. So the platform is collecting real money from advertisers, but has zero liability to pay out to its users. It's just pure profit, harvested from people's time.
Pure profit. And the psychological play here is really something.
It's the sunk cost fallacy, really.
It is. You've already invested so much time and effort, you've watched that number climb on your screen.
And you feel like you can't give up now. You just have to complete this one last thing.
But the last thing never comes.
So the final verdict on ClickWages is what? A textbook task scam.
A textbook scam. It's an elaborate time thief. And I think understanding this pattern is so important.
Right. You hit a threshold, then new impossible requirements appear, and then the system just goes silent.
If you see that pattern, you know you're not dealing with a genuine opportunity.
It really makes you think, though.
It does. And it leaves you with, I think, a really provocative final thought.
What's that?
Just consider how absurdly profitable it must be, this simple process of convincing millions of people to work, unpaid, for 2 weeks.
Based on nothing more than a number climbing on a screen